Just like fire, burning up the way. I can light the world up for just one day. Watch this madness, colorful charade. No one can be just like me anyway. Just like magic, I'll be flying free. I'ma disappear when they come for me. No one can be just like me anyway.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am doing a DIY of the Eco Styler Gold Gel. So I'm excited about this. When the Eco Styler came out with their castor oil, black castor oil and flaxseed oil gel, I was the first one to do a review on that product. But when they came out with this one, they haven't released it yet, and so the price they're asking online is like $18. And I know they're a business, so they gotta do what they gotta do, but that's a bit much. So I was thinking to myself, like, okay, most of us naturals have all the ingredients that they have in the Eco gel. Okay, so I got shea butter, I got black castor oil, I got olive oil, and I got good old flaxseed gel. So I'm gonna put it up here. So you guys, I made some flaxseed gel. So if you don't know how to make this, it's videos on YouTube where you can find out how to make it. If you really want me to make a video on it, if I get enough requests, I definitely will make a video on how I make my flaxseed gel. But yeah, so, and I already put my essential oils in it. So I have peppermint oil and lavender, and I added those, and this is what it looks like. You guys, it smells so good and it feels so good on my hands. It just feels really good. So we're gonna mix this up because most of us naturals have all of these products. So we can do this, you guys, because they asking a bit much. So I'm gonna start off by adding some shea butter, and I'm not gonna put a lot. Reason being, because when you do use gel, you want some hold. You don't want it to be too moisturizing. I don't know, I'm speaking for me, but you know, some people might like that. But the reason for gel is that you want a little, you know, you want some hold. So now I'm gonna add a little olive oil. Oh, I gotta open it. I'm like, why it didn't come out? So just a little bit. So I'm gonna take those and mix that up. And yes, I'm using and this shea butter should give us our little gold color. And I'm gonna add a little castor oil. Not a lot, because like I said, we need to have some hold. So if you guys can see that right there, I'm mixing that up. And I already put essential oils in the flaxseed. Now the flaxseed gel, you can put it into one of these type of bottles to get it out easier, but I just got it in my jar. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. Alright, so we got that mixed in there pretty good. Okay, now we're gonna put some of the flaxseed gel. I don't want to put too much, but okay, I think that's enough. Now we're gonna, I got some on my hands. Feels so good. The flaxseed gel feels really good. So I'm gonna mix all of that in together. Y'all look at that. Looks real good. I just want to keep stirring and mix it up really good. Alright. You guys can see that. Still feel like it could be mixed up a little bit more. So, y'all, I'm gonna close the top on this and just shake it up a little more. Y'all look at that. We got our own DIY gold gel. Oh my God, that looks amazing. Look at that. So, what I'm gonna do, you guys, is I'm gonna put this, let me just show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, that's pretty amazing, and it feels so good. I'm not gonna let that go to waste. Just gonna add it to my hair. So I already know that this is gonna be so good. So to show you guys what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use my DIY hair moisturizer. So if you haven't checked out this video, check this out so you can see what's in this bottle. But I'm gonna spray my hair down with this, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna start applying this DIY Gold Natural Amazing Gel. So I'm gonna go and spray my hair down. I'm coming right back, so don't go anywhere. Hey guys, I'm back, and I sprayed down my hair with my DIY hair moisturizer, you guys, and look at this. This is the regular Flexi, this is the gold. So I'm gonna move this one out the way so you guys can see. But yeah, I already sprayed down my hair with this. So my hair is sprayed down pretty good. All right, now I'm gonna start applying the gel. I'm just gonna do a wash and go with it so y'all can see. Look at that. Ooh, feels really good though. So I'm gonna put this, look at that, in my hands, and I'm gonna go ahead and just apply this on one side of my head. Move this so y'all can see. Feels really good. Going onto my hair. A little bit more. So, you can see that. That's what my hair looks like. Okay. I'll go ahead and do the other side. Ooh, gooey. Okay. See that? So go ahead and apply it over here. that. So this is what my hair is looking like. Very defined and it feels moisturized, you guys. So I'm gonna let my hair dry and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the results of this DIY gold gel, you guys. So I'm gonna let it dry and I'll come back and show you guys the results. Hey guys, I'm back and my hair is, I would say, about 90 to 95% dry. And you guys, look at the definition, look at the shine. Oh, look at my hair. OMG, you guys. I mean, my hair, it has hold, but it's soft, it's moisturized. I mean, y'all, I'm like, Eco who? Like, yes to this DIY gold gel. This is bomb. I mean, it's better than what I thought because, I mean, ooh, I got the softness but still some hold. And then I got the definition and it's shiny and my hair feels moisturized. Y'all, OMG. Do not spend your money and pay $18 for Eco Gold. Try this DIY Gold. This is everything, you guys. I am serious. I'm like, Eco who? Like, because this right here is a bomb, you guys, and you can see it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick my hair out so you guys can see it fluffed out some. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then I'm gonna come right back. Hey guys, I'm back and so I fluffed my hair out and you guys, look at my hair. Oh my God, it is beautiful. It is soft, it's fluffy, it's defined. It's everything I want my wash and go to be. And what I really love is that I got some length. Because you know when you do a wash and go, usually your hair just shrink all the way up. But I got some length with this wash and go. And I am super excited. You guys, this right here, like I said, I didn't know what to expect with doing this. But this right here is the bomb. You cannot go wrong. I am super excited. Like, look at, oh my God. Look at this wash and go, you guys. Like, look. Oh, you guys. I hope you guys get a chance to check out this DIY. And you guys, if you're not with paying $18 for Eco Styler, please thumbs up this video. Thumbs it up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, you guys, please subscribe. Y'all, I'm just shook for real. Like, really? I didn't know what to expect, but like, this is bomb. Like, first day hair on a wash and go, y'all know that it usually is flat. Like, I got volume. Oh man, like this right here, like, definitely, y'all definitely gotta try this. Comment and let me know if y'all gonna try this DIY gold gel. Please comment and let me know. Like I said, thumbs up if you're not with paying $18, or thumbs up if you really like this. Okay, you guys, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I will see you guys in my next video.